Making it interactive. Engage and learn. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, make it interactive. We'll dive into what it means, how it's used, and why it's particularly important in various learning environments, including language learning. Interactivity is a key component in engaging learners and enhancing the learning experience. So let's get started. When we say, make it interactive, we're talking about transforming a process, activity, or presentation into something that encourages active participation from the audience or users. Instead of just passively receiving information, people are invited to engage, participate, and influence the outcome of the activity. This could involve asking questions, making decisions, or physically interacting with the material in some way. Interactivity plays a crucial role in learning because it keeps learners engaged and helps to reinforce the material being taught. Studies have shown that when learners actively participate in the learning process, they are more likely to retain information and apply it effectively. In language learning, this could mean practicing speaking, using interactive quizzes, or even playing games that require using the new language. Let's look at some examples of making learning interactive. Quizzes and polls, asking questions throughout a lesson to check understanding. Games, using language games that require speaking, listening, or writing. Role plays, simulating real-life situations where learners must use the target language. Interactive videos, videos that pause to ask viewers questions or choose the direction of the content. If you're a teacher or content creator, here are some tips for making your lessons more interactive. Incorporate technology. Use apps, websites, and software designed to create interactive learning experiences. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage discussion and critical thinking by avoiding yes/no questions. Feedback is key. Provide immediate feedback to learners to help them understand their progress. Variety is the spice of learning. Mix different types of interactive activities to cater to various learning styles. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to make it interactive, and why it's so beneficial for learning, especially in language education. By incorporating interactivity into your lessons, you're not just teaching, you're engaging and empowering your students to take an active role in their learning journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to make your next lesson interactive. Remember, learning is not just about absorbing information. It's about making connections, engaging with content, and applying what you've learned. So, let's make learning interactive and fun for everyone involved. See you in the next video.